Sometimes we need to find the area of a polygon and we don't have all the nice neat information like we need for the formulas that you've been learning the last few days. I'm going to teach you a trick today that works only for regular polygons. And regular polygons are ones where all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent. So we got a new definition for you today, and that is the apothem. The apothem is the distance from the center of a polygon to the middle of the side of one of the sides, so to the midpoint. Now, if you imagine that this is inside of a circle, each of these will be the radius of the circle. So if I use the word radius, I'm still talking about the same idea. I just am a sloppy artist and can't put the hexagon here inside of a circle and it look all nice and neat. So remember, apothem, which is our new word, is the distance from the center to the midpoint of a side of a polygon that is inside of a circle. So we're going to do 4 different things today. We're going to find the length of the apothem, we're going to find the perimeter of the hexagon, we're going to find the measure of the central angle LOU, and you'll remember that a central angle has its vertex on the center, and then we're going to find the triangle at the area of triangle LOU. So let's think about which pieces are easiest. If this were a circle, that's how many degrees? You're right, 360. How many of these angles would I have in this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I take 360 and divide it by 6, I'll get 60 degrees. That information is going to be handy to us when we're trying to find our apothem length. The next easy one to do is perimeter. We know that perimeter is the sum of all of the sides, but since this is a regular polygon, I have 6 sides that are all the same length, which is 16. So to find the perimeter, I just need to do 16 times 6, and I'll get 96. So now I've got to find this crazy apothem thing, and I need to find the area of this triangle. Well, in order to find the area of the triangle, I need half of the base times the height. Well, my base is 16. My height is what I need. Well, the height and the apothem length are the same thing. So what I'm going to do is use my properties that I learned last chapter of 30, 60, 90 triangles and apply that to this particular hexagon. All right, we said that our central angle here was 60 degrees, right? You got that. So if this whole angle is 60, that means that this part is 30. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and here I have my hypotenuse, which is 16. So how much is my short leg? Well, the short leg is half of the hypotenuse, so it is 8. And what is the length of the long leg? It is the short leg times the square root of 3. So the apothem here is 8 on the square root of 3. And I got that combining all my 30, 60, 90 triangle information with what I have here. So now if I want to find the area of LOU, I need half of the apothem times the perimeter. So what is the perimeter here?